pulling free probate lists online so you have the chance to uncover probate real estate and what the benefits of that is. Now, if you're not quite sure what probate real estate is, it's when somebody has passed away and they have things, those things need to be liquidated. Now, they can be personal property, they can be real property. Real property being real estate. So it could be the house they lived in, it could be rental properties, it could be other types of real estate as well. But in most cases, it's going to be the house that they lived in. Now, unless somebody's inheriting that house, they're moving in, chances are the estate, the heirs, they want to liquidate that house so they can get a portion of whatever that house is worth. They can help pay some of the overhead in the estate, pay for taxes, attorney fees, things like that. So we're providing the estate with a service, and that is helping them liquidate the real estate. And you can also be helping them with other things that are in the estate as well. So to do this online, you're going to go to the county clerk's website. You're going to be searching for probates, going to be looking for documents, things like that. It could be worded a little bit differently in the county that you're looking. And then you want to see what those documents are. Now, it could be, if you can choose from 1 to 30 days, it could be that there are just way too many documents to go through. So you might want to narrow that search down for a shorter time period and then see if that is a manageable list. Now, that's up to you. You can be just searching around and getting an idea for that. Now, once you've got that kind of a list of who has passed away, who is the owner of the property, you can do a people search and find out who some of the heirs are, and you can reach out to them and ask them if they're the owner of that property and if they're interested in selling it. Now, if they are not the owner of the property, but they have some connection to the estate, of course, that's a conversation that might be very timely for them. So that's something to consider. Now, if you're able to do a deal, the exit strategy there can be a number of different things. You might keep that property for your own portfolio. You might have the wherewithal to hold on to that property and sell it as a retail type of a deal at a discount to try and sell that faster. Or if the market's going like a freight train, you might be able to get some bidding wars. It just depends on the situation. And when it comes to wholesaling that property, if there's a lot of equity in that property, you might be able to get a pretty nice assignment fee for that as well. So a lot of different exit strategies to consider. The only downside with that is it takes time because you're spending time researching. Now, some people will get virtual assistants to do that, but either way, you've got to pay them. And if you have some type of a service, you can then be having all kinds of different ways to uncover leads, not just the probate lists. So that's something else to consider when you think, all right, there are some free ways out there, but it's going to take me a whole lot of time. I could be doing other things, or I just don't have that kind of time, or my time is better spent elsewhere. I could pay somebody else to do it. But either way, if they're spending a number of hours, that adds up. So if you can get a service that you can be paying monthly on that has the opportunity to uncover all kinds of different leads in different types of ways, probate being one of them, absentee owners, all kinds of different things, that is something that is efficient, but only you know if that's going to work best. If your budget is tight, you know that you can be doing it for free, at least in the beginning, until you have some more revenue for these types of marketing costs, which has the chance to have a whole lot more leads coming in an efficient way, so you can be spending the time that you have for these kind of activities in the highest use way possible. And that's really important. We want to streamline a lot of things. Either way, there are a lot of estates out there that could use your help, could use your service, whether you go about it the free way, where you're spending your time, kind of a sweat equity kind of a scenario, where your time is being paid, or if you pay a little bit and you then get a bunch of leads coming in an efficient way. Either way, these estates need your help. So this is just one more way to potentially uncover deals that have a lot of equity. And when you have a lot of equity in a deal, you have some options, some things that both sides then can have a give and take until you can create a win-win deal. So I hope that helps. I'll share more with you in the next video.